let's get into what is in my camo bag, Dollar Tree edition. And the funny part is about this is that I had done this a long time ago, like 4 or 5 years, maybe even longer, of what's my camo purse bag. And it's on my YouTube. I have over like 600 views on there, and I thought how hilarious because I had just made that because I love my camo bag, which I don't know where it went. I would still wear it to this day. I don't know where it went. We had moved quite a few times out of all those years, and so I don't know where it went. But Mom found this in the Dollar Tree, this bag, and she's like, "You should start back here, like what's in my camo bag." So Dollar Tree edition, what's in my camo bag? So yes, this is Dollar Tree, but we also have a bunch of goodies in here that I just. When I get in a moment where I'm actually able to shop the Dollar Tree, then I'm like, okay, so I kind of want to make this like a series when I am able to shop at the Dollar Tree. Not as often as I used to, but one day. Anyways, hello, pencil sharpeners. These things you'd be like, okay, they're mechanical pencil sharpeners. Like, what about them? I can pay, or I have paid, I should say, $10 for these things in Walmart, if not more. They don't work. Like, they're not... They're like the blue ones that have the black cover and all that, and that's normally like back here and all that. You probably know what I'm talking about, but they don't work as well as these. As long as you get a good one, you do have to check in your store because sometimes like this piece is missing or this piece is missing. I don't know why, but they have to have all the connections. But as long as all that is doing good, then these sharpen super pointy, like really, really pointy. So I love them, and I had to get me 2 of them, and then my daughter 1 of them, and I'm just like, 1 for the house, 1 for, I don't know, put them in every bedroom, but okay. And then these are nail stuff, but I'm like, that could be a really good, like, cut crease brush, which I have seen that that's coming back as like a trend again or whatever. And then this is obviously like a nail little thing. They're supposed to be both nail stuff, but hello, in the Dollar Tree, if you use this like for, I guess, the acrylic stuff or whatever, then that would be good too. But I was like, I'm gonna use that for a cut crease, and then the other one, I don't know. Anyways, I love scrunchies like this, and I love this color. It reminds me of the fall stuff, whatever, so I'm like, yay. And I love this scrunchie so much that I got another one of them, and it's by whatever this is. So, this has done so much better than, like, the regular scrunchies. Oh, and I also bought it in this color, too. So, I'm like, these are, like, super, super good. So, and then I'm like, I'm gonna try out the brown one, and then hopefully it's good as the other ones. But, okay. Hello, huge claw clip. I've been seeing everyone, like, do up their hair with this. Hold on. But I've been seeing everyone just, like, put their hair, like, doing something of this, and then just clipping it, and then, like, having it fall over, and then just walking around. And I'm like, dude, like, that's so easy. It's so stupid, but I'm like, I want my hair around my face because I'm like, I feel so silly when it's up in a bun or whatever because I cannot do that messy bun thing. But hello, I think I can pull off this a little bit better than the messy bun. But I'm like, sometimes I'm just like, wanna be cute still with my hair around my face and all that. But like, I don't know. Anyways, I saw some people do that, and I'm like, I have to get this huge clip thing. So, okay. This is cute. I don't know why I'm into, like, travel things. I guess because a lot of the times, like, I don't have my makeup bag. It's in the car right now. But I will put my makeup stuff all up in there, and then we'll do my full, like, makeup eyeliner and everything in the car, like, while my husband's driving around. But anyway, so this has, the clippers, it has little tweezers, it has some scissors, and then I guess that's a cuticle pusher. Yeah, cuticle pusher back. But anyway, so I was like, okay, for $1.25, this is really cool. And a lot of times, like, when I'm trying to trim up my eyebrows and all that, or get nails off or whatever, there you go. So I'm gonna throw that in my makeup bag. Okay, so these are cute. And I'm like, I see a lot of people, these normally sell for like $7 on Amazon, I think. I've seen them for that price, whatever, for like the exact design and all that. But yeah, I was like, I've been doing, like, right now my nails are off. We're trying to get them back to healthiness right now, whatever. But I just had a full set of nails on and everything. And so when I'm putting the gems and stuff, I'm like, I keep tweezering them with these long ass little needle nose tweezers. And I keep trying to, like, These ones are from the Dollar Tree. But I keep trying to like pick up the little rhinestones and stuff and then stick them on my nails and try to place them and all that. And I'm just like, I've seen people use these, whatever. So I'm gonna also like look up how else to use these. But yeah, it's like create swirl patterns, dots. Anyways, apparently you can create stuff with this too. So that would be interesting. But I've been getting into ever since I've gotten that kit from TikTok, which is on my TikTok shop if you want to go look. It's so cool. It's like under $25 and you get all, hold on. Okay, I will leave the link in the bio, whatever, in this description, but it's from my TikTok. You get the LED light, you get a bunch of nail polishes. It comes with the top coat, the base coat, and a matte coat, which is cool because a lot of people like the matte, whatever. And then you get like the little, two of these. I don't know where the other one went anyways. They're the toe holders, whatever. You get two of these files. Don't know where the other one went. You get nails that you can like test the colors on this. Then you get this little cuticle oil. Oh, here's my other file that I've been using. And then you get the little cuticle cutter. And then you also get the nail pusher back, like a metal nail pusher back with a little edge cutter. You get all that for like under $25. And I have gotten 3 uses out of this so far. And I'm going to go for the 4th of July one, which I think this, okay, I was like, I wish there was a white in here. There's a white. Okay, anyways, so I'm about to go for the 4th of July nails and see how they turn out. I have some really cute designs with like little gems and everything that I want to do. So I might have to try them out on these nails and then prep them and like see how they turn out. But anyways, I think that it's really cool. Okay, so you know me, I have been so heavily into these types of lashes. I have been on TikTok more often than YouTube, but I am trying to come back to YouTube. But okay, I have been such a sucker for these separate I don't know, partial lashes, whatever you call them, lash clusters. Oh my god, I've been into the, literally says it up here. Anyways, I've been into these lash clusters. I do love the plastic container of this one compared to the other one that I showed you. But they do come with the tweezers and then the pointed tweezers, and then they do come with the remover and the bond and the seal. So I've absolutely like grown to love those, but I like, these are so cute. So either I'm going to cut these up in lash clusters and then place them individually and see if that works, and or I'm going to just try one last time. But I just thought the girl wearing them has like that flirty eye look that I've been wanting so desperately bad, and I can achieve that with that, but I'm just like, I always will see lashes like this and I'm just like, just one last time, one of these times, just because I'm like, I love lashes so much. Anyways, okay, I got some nail glue. Hold on. Okay, I got some nail glue, and one of them says clear and then the other one says pink, and I'm not quite sure what the actual difference is besides the color, which I don't know why the color would matter, but okay. Anyways, these are by Ioni. Everything by Ioni has been an absolute blast. I haven't found anything bad, and for $1.25, I just hope that they keep making stuff that we can afford, because eventually it's going to put out some of those big companies. I don't know, but there's going to always be people buying the big name stuff, but I'm so glad that they do make more affordable stuff for every single person, even if you're rich and bougie. But this, one of them says, Ultra Hold Quick Dry, and then the pink one just says Ultra Hold, so I don't know what the difference is between the colors. So, okay, again, like I said, Ioni has been one of the best, and literally I cannot steer away from Ioni, and every single time, like, these are, I think these are those, like, popular things that are going on right now. I don't even remember what they're called, but anyways, these are lipsticks. One of them is Route 66, which is this one. And then this one is Weehoo? I don't know. Anyways, these are cute. And I've seen things like lipsticks like this for like $16 to $20. Like even with like the shape and all that. So I'm like, but everything Ioni has been really, really good. So I do want to try one of those on camera, because I'm like, they just look so good. And then I got some lash glue. Okay, when you can find Ioni's lash glue, that's the best I've found when it comes to like regular lashes and stuff. I do not know if you can use regular lash glue with this. I want to say that the seal or the bond on this is really good. And it's like done good, but I want to know if I can use this lash glue because it's like fast drying, gentle, blah, 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 latex free, long lasting. I've used it in the past for regular lashes and it's done good, but I just don't know if I can use it for that. So I'm going to try. And I'll have to do it on camera so we can all see how I mess up. Anyways, felt tip eyeliner. And this is Los Angeles. And then my mom got a teal turquoise color. And then I just got the regular basic black is what I'm assuming that this is. Yeah. It doesn't say basic black. But anyways. But I'm like, I always do my eyeliner, and I absolutely love the one that I use, which is by Rare Beauty, the bold strokes, but I'm just like, I just want to try. Okay, I am more myself. This is how I am. I'm just silly and crazy and open and out, and I'm just like, I'm tired of being tired and not talking as much. And when I do my YouTube, I don't know, it's so silly, because when I'm on TikTok, I'm like, I got to be professional over here. And then YouTube, I'm just like, little out. Anyways, and I'm also excited, like, hello, Dollar Tree. And I'm doing something old back on my channel. So all of that's just, like, really, really fun. But I got these 2 different nails because sometimes I'm not always going to be able to do my nails. Like, right now, I'm just letting my nails be chill, but my daughter's birthday party is next week, so I'm like, I might not have time to do the 4th of July nails. I don't know. I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna try to fit it in. But if not, I can decorate these and spice these up. And these are like cowgirl style, and I can put some stuff on there. And then these ones are the butterflies, and I have so many cute ideas for the butterflies. So, anyways. Okay, that is it. I'm going to continue this series. Thank you, Mom, for giving me that I did, and the bag. I paid for most of the stuff. I think she did pay for a couple things. I don't know. I cannot remember at this second. She does a lot for me, so I always try to do a lot for her. Like, when I get paid to do some of my stuff, like the clothes and stuff, whatever, or videos and all that, then I do help her a lot, and then I try to, like, we both kind of, like, bounce back and forth on each other, but, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Stick around because I'm going to come back and I'm going to be wild and I'm going to be crazy and I'm just going to be myself and I'm going to try to continue to get my health in gear. As you see, I got a little inflammation, but some of it is down, so we're working on that. I've made better choices as far as like every single thing I intake in my body. I'm watching, I know about. Going like through 15 vitamins. I'm drinking freaking tons of water. This is a new one, but like drinking tons of water instead of just like snacking on like regular like chips or like something, because I was like, oh well, as long as I pay attention to as long as I pay attention to like what I'm eating for lunch, what I'm eating for dinner, because a lot of times I wasn't getting too hungry for breakfast, and when I was just like eggs basically. But so now I'm like paying attention to like every little thing that I have been doing, and my weight hasn't really been coming down, but I'm feeling better. And then I do go through periods of times where I just get super tired, and I'm not sure if that's a heart thing or what it is, because I don't know where the hell this like fatigue is coming from. It just sometimes it'll be a wave one week and I just feel like down and tired, and then the next I'm like all sparky and and up. So I don't know what is going on, but I am trying my hardest to just pay attention more. And so like instead of, I traded out my snacks for like if I'm like craving like a sweet something or something just to crunch on or whatever, because I was like snacking on popcorn for like the crunch or whatever, and I still occasionally do, but I just watched how much I'm going through. So instead of like 2 or 3 times a a week, about to say a day, I was like, I do not go through that much a day. It's 2 or 3 times a week of popcorn that I'm like, okay, maybe it's once a week, if that, because it's too much sugar or salt was what the doctor said. But anyways, carrots have really helped me a lot. I've been going through bags of carrots weekly, and my mom's like, you're a bunny rabbit. I'm like, but grapes, red grapes mainly, sometimes green grapes, but red grapes have really helped my sugar craving for like something chocolatey. I would branch off to something chocolate. Okay. My mouth don't want to work. I have like a TMJ problem that just like smashes all my mouth together. Bear with me. I'm also talking so extremely fast that I cannot even understand myself. But grapes, red grapes for myself have been really good because they've been helping to cut down the sugar intake. Sugar. And then mix it with blueberries because I absolutely love blueberries. And sometimes those grapes can kind of like make me, I don't know why it is, I'm not allergic to them, but there's just some fruits, I guess that are more acidic-y or something, that kind of just create this like foam. And if you know what I mean, please let me know what the heck that means. But it will create like this like kind of like a foam acidic thing in my mouth or whatever. So the blueberries kind of tame all that back down. And then sometimes I will get strawberries, not all the time, because I cannot find good strawberries anymore. Like, I keep seeing the like little ones. I want the big ones. The big strawberries you bite into and you're just like, this is a strawberry. Can't find them anymore. And Walmart keeps having them with mold because y'all stalkers ain't checking them damn things. Swear to God, I found 5 packages yesterday of big strawberries. Mold. All mold. And my mom's like, yep, that happens often because she shops more than I do. Just like, But anyways. Okay, we're gonna do this more often, and I might even do camo bag, like Ulta edition, or whatever the week has me going, Walmart edition, I don't know. But I'm gonna start bringing this back, because that idea I really like, and then we can, like, chat and talk, and then you can add ideas that I could, you know, go and try to find, like, this new mascara that I saw. It was not in my bag because it didn't come from Dollar Tree, but I do want to try that. That came from Walmart. So, anyways, y'all have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Stay naughty. Bye, y'all.
Baby, so go.